Hello and welcome to the Capital Compass. I'm Karina Robertson. With sustainability at the forefront of our minds, one company is leading the path of innovation in developing and manufacturing a diverse range of safe and eco-friendly chemical compounds, Biosenta. And sitting with me today is the company's marketing and strategy advisor, Kris Hans. Welcome, Kris. What an exciting story to tell.
Thank you for having me.
Now, why don't you kick us off with a bit on the company's background and team, including its mission and some of your key members on your management team?
Yeah, absolutely. So Biosenta was created out of a deep commitment to developing safe, eco-friendly solutions to the world's pressing microbial challenges. In fact, our CEO, Amgil, recently lost family members to a preventable hospital-acquired infection. And this tragedy has further reinforced our mission, driving home just how urgently we need effective, long-lasting antimicrobial protection. With key collaborators at the University of Calgary, including Dr. Mayan Hussain, Dr. Mehdi Mohammadi Yassani, and Dr. Ian Lewis, we're dedicated to replacing harsh disinfectants with innovative, long-lasting, eco-conscious materials that protect human life.
And Biosenta has an antimicrobial filler that offers protection against mold, viruses, and bacteria, a product called Tri-Filler. Can you expand on its composition and how it differentiates itself from traditional fillers like calcium carbonate?
Yeah, so Tri-Filler is our core innovation. It's a powerful antimicrobial filler that actively fights mold, bacteria, and viruses. It acts like a built-in shield against pathogens. Unlike traditional calcium carbonate fillers, which merely add bulk, Tri-Filler uses a patented core shell nanoparticle design to deliver continuous long-term protection. Instead of being a passive ingredient, Tri-Filler actively kills harmful microbes while enhancing structural durability and strength in the materials it's blended into.
Now, what inspired the development of Tri-Filler, and what were the key milestones in its creation?
Yeah, so we saw an urgent global need for long-lasting microbial solutions as most disinfectants lose effectiveness quickly. Inspired by natural properties of calcium hydroxide, we developed a novel way to stabilize and weaponize it, building on the concept that a shell could protect its active core. Key milestones have included securing Health Canada approvals from earlier disinfectant products, validating our shell core approach in the lab tests, and then ultimately partnering with the University of Calgary experts to confirm Tri-Filler's effectiveness in materials like concrete, plastics, and paints.
Now, what stage is Tri-Filler currently in terms of production and market availability?
Yeah, so Tri-Filler is production ready. We're now integrating it with industrial partners in construction, coatings, plastics. We've scaled up our in-house processes, and the demand is growing as industries look for durable, built-in antimicrobial protection that doesn't rely on constant chemical reapplication.
All right, now let's turn to some collaborations and partnerships that Biosenta has. They have a partnership with the University of Calgary. How has that influenced the research and development of your products, particularly this one?
Yeah, so our partnership with the University of Calgary has been transformative. It's really a cornerstone of Tri-Filler's success. Dr. Mayan Hussain, along with Noura Darwish, have created and developed the nanoparticle technology. Meanwhile, Dr. Mehdi Mohammadi Yashani in Dr. Ian Lewis's lab has rigorously tested antimicrobial properties of Tri-Filler and also the chemical properties, ensuring it's both effective and sustainable. Biosenta, collaborating with the U of C, has played an integral role in developing and validating new testing methods. This blend of academic excellence and industry-driven R&D has not only validated our products scientifically, but it's also accelerated our path to market at this critical time.
Now, beyond its current uses, what potential applications can you highlight for Tri-Filler?
Well, we're already applying Tri-Filler in concretes, paints, plastics, but really the potential runs much deeper. We see limitless possibilities for embedding Tri-Filler into virtually any high contact surface. If there's a need for controlling microbial growth over the long term, Tri-Filler can step up without resorting to repeated chemical sprays. We envision trifiller becoming essential in environments where long-lasting antimicrobial protection is non-negotiable.
Now, to achieve those applications, what are Biosenta's strategic plans for the future in terms of product development and market expansion?
Yeah, so our vision is to make trifiller the global benchmark for antimicrobial safety. Strategically, we're expanding partnerships with industry leaders, exploring co-development deals, expanding our R&D efforts alongside the University of Calgary experts, and scaling into new international markets. So those are our top priorities. Our CEO's recent family tragedies made our mission profoundly personal. So every effort that we make is dedicated to preventing such unnecessary losses in the future.
Well, thank you so much, Kris, for sharing. Very informative and a cleaner and safer perspective on antibacterial alternatives from such harsh chemicals. Again, that was Kris Hans, Marketing and Strategy Advisor for Biosenta. You can find them on the CSE under the ticker symbol ZRO and on their website at biosenta.com for more information. I'm Karina Robertson. Thank you so much for watching.